Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk SPL random command. The random command is a powerful tool that generates random numbers for sampling, testing, and simulation purposes. It's an essential command for data analysts who need to work with statistical samples or create test datasets. Whether you're conducting A/B testing, performing data analysis, or need to simulate random scenarios, the random command provides the foundation for these operations. The random command performs two primary functions in Splunk. First, it adds a new field called random to your search results, containing numeric values between 0 and 1. Second, it enables statistical sampling by providing random values that can be used for data selection and analysis. This makes it perfect for creating representative samples from large datasets or dividing data into random groups for testing purposes. Using the random command is incredibly simple. The basic syntax is just pipe random. That's it. When you append this to any search, it generates random numbers between 0 and 1 for each event in your results. Each event will receive its own unique random value, creating a foundation for various sampling and testing operations. Here's a practical example of the random command in action. We start with a search for weblogs using index equals web_logs, then limit the results to 1,000 events using the head command, and finally add pipe random. The result is that each of the 1,000 events gets a new field called random with values like 0.742, 0.185, or 0.963. These random values are now ready for further processing. One of the most common uses of the random command is data sampling. To get a 10% random sample of your data, you would search your index, add the random command, then use a where clause to filter where random is less than 0.1. This creates a truly random 10% sample of your original dataset, which is perfect for testing queries on smaller datasets or performing statistical analysis without processing all your data. The random command is excellent for creating A/B testing groups. In this example, we search for users, add random values, then use an eval statement to create groups. The eval function checks if random is less than 0.5. If true, it assigns group A, otherwise group B. Finally, we use stats count by group to see how many users are in each group. This creates two equal random groups perfect for A/B testing experiments. When using the random command, keep these performance tips in mind. First, it's best practice to use head or time filters before applying the random command. This limits the number of events processed and improves performance. Second, remember that the random field adds data to each event, so monitor your memory usage when working with large datasets. The random command processes every event, so limiting your dataset size up front will make your searches more efficient. Let's summarize the key takeaways about the random command. First, it's simple and powerful. Just one command adds random values for sampling and testing. Second, it has multiple use cases. It's perfect for A/B testing, data sampling, and simulations. The random command is an essential tool in your Splunk toolkit that enables statistical analysis and testing scenarios. Master this command to enhance your data analysis capabilities and create more sophisticated search strategies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.